This large cephalotus is dead. However, some new cephalotus sprouts are emerging. I hope these new shoots will grow well. I repotted them. I didn't cut off the ungainly cephalotus, but left it as it was. This unique bag shape is cool.
The cephalotus was replanted once there, which has been up to now. The catch bag is dead. What happens now? Cephalotus is in a bad mood and has lid closed. Then they sprout new shoots to adapt to the environment. It sucks. There is white mold growing on them, even though new sprouts have emerged. Looks like it was not well ventilated. I put it in a well ventilated area now. Will this white mold go away from now on?
I found a white mold-like growth on my cephalotus. Cephalotus is a plant that is not susceptible to disease. What is this? I checked. I found symptoms similar to this. Could it be a powdery mildew? Then I looked into countermeasures against acorn rot. As a countermeasure against powdery mildew, the measures against powdery mildew are to remove the parts where powdery mildew has developed. However, this method is effective only in the early stage. If the disease is more advanced than this, what kind of measures can be taken? That is the method using natural pesticide. The method used with that natural pesticide is the method using vinegar. How to make the natural pesticide? Add 30 cc of vinegar to 500 cc of water and mix well. After mixing well, mist the area where the powdery mildew has developed. This should be enough to prevent powdery mildew. I have now explained the countermeasures against powdery mildew. This time I will not take any measures against acorn blight. I will check the vitality of cephalotus. The result will be shown in a video later.